Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice and peas. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of long-grain rice, 1 can of kidney beans, and 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. Don't forget fresh aromatics like a few sprigs of thyme, a piece of ginger, and a couple of scallions. These fresh ingredients are key to authentic flavor. Also, have some allspice berries and a Scotch bonnet pepper ready for that classic kick. Now let's prepare our foundational flavors. Start by rinsing your canned kidney beans very well under cold water. This removes excess sodium. Next, finely chop your scallions, ginger, and fresh thyme. These aromatics will infuse the dish with incredible depth. Remember to gently puncture your Scotch bonnet pepper with a fork, but do not cut it open to release its flavor without too much heat. It's time to cook. In a large pot, combine your coconut milk, 1½ cups of water, the rinsed kidney beans, and all the prepared aromatics. Add about 5 allspice berries and the punctured Scotch bonnet. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then stir in your 1 cup of rinsed rice. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Once the cooking time is up, turn off the heat and let the pot sit covered for another 5 minutes. This allows the rice to steam perfectly. Then, gently fluff the rice and peas with a fork, being careful not to mash the beans. Remember to remove the Scotch bonnet pepper and allspice berries before serving. Your flavorful, authentic rice and peas are now ready to enjoy as a wonderful side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.